Welcome to part 2 of my first drone. Now that I have the Ruko drone unboxed, I have to register it with the FAA since it's over 0.55 pounds. Use the FAA Drone Zone website to register your recreational drone. The website is easy to use, so I'll not go through all those steps. But I want to show you a few things specific to my Ruko drone. You'll need to find the remote ID serial number. On my Ruko drone, it's on the side of the body. It's the number on the left in this photo. It's small and a little hard to read. I took a photo with my phone and enlarged it on the screen so I could read it. Register that number with the FAA. The cost is $5. Upon successful registration, the website will give you a registration number and a certificate that's good for 3 years. I used a label maker to identify my drone. You can see that in the photo. I'll be keeping my trust certificate and a copy of the FAA drone registration in the supplied Ruko carrying case, so I should have it with me whenever I'm using the drone. Thank you for watching. Part 3 of my first drone will be coming out shortly, and that will be my first takeoff and landing.